haven't already read by the title, today I am going to be doing a makeup haul. It's more like a mini makeup haul. I haven't shopped makeup products for a very long time, and finally lockdown थोड़ा बहुत खुल चुका है मुंबई में and the stores have been open. So I went to my local beauty store and got a couple of things. So today I thought, why not share it with you guys. So that's for the today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and do leave me in the comment section down below which is your favorite makeup product. And yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so we'll quickly start off with the skincare first, because I have only one product to share it with you guys for the skincare. So actually it is not a new product that I am showing it to you guys. This is the product that I have been using ever since I started doing my makeup. So this is the Garnier Light Complete Fairness Serums Cream. So this is how it looks like. This is a moisturizer. This is from Garnier, and there's retails for ₹69, and all the products that I'm going to be showing you guys, it's mostly under 1,000 rupees. So I will have all the product links in the description box below with the price tag on the screen, so you guys have an idea what exactly I'm talking about. So this is the moisturizer. If you're looking for a moisturizer which is very hydrating and it suits all the skin types, whether you are oily, dry, combination, whatever it is, this is a very good moisturizer. This is from Garnier, and this is, you get like a bigger bottle of these and that was for मतलब वो भी कितना 200 रुपए का होता है. So it's a very good and a very affordable moisturizer. This not only hydrates your skin, but it also has SPF properties in it. It's more like a sunscreen cum moisturizer sort of a thing. So I really love this moisturizer, and I use it on a day-to-day basis also. So this is more like a repurchase rather than like a normal new product to try it on my skin. So yeah, this is the first purchase that I got is something that I've already tried out before as well. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade 230. If you are someone who is my skin type, so this is the foundation. This is the matte and polish foundation, normal to oily skin. If you don't know, I'm an oily skin type of a girl, so this foundation is perfect for like day-to-day basis, and I really love the foundation. It is almost hyped like all over YouTube and all over internet. मतलब जब भी ये launch हुआ है, हमेशा ये बहुत hype हो चुका है foundation, and to be honest, I was running out of it. So I got a new purchase, and this is the foundation that I also got a new foundation from Nykaa. I haven't tried this foundation, but also I've heard a very good things about it. It was like hyped very much on Nykaa also. It was 4 to 4.5 stars मिले थे इसको Nykaa पे भी. So this is the product. This is the Nykaa Skin Shield Foundation, and I got in the shade Rose Beige 04. So this is the next product. और मैंने जब ये काउंटर पे ट्राई किया था, this was very light and very like an everyday sort of a foundation. It's very what do you say, normal to medium sort of a coverage kind of a foundation, and I really love the packaging. It's very nice and it's matte and it's good, and it has this sort of an applicator. To be honest, I'm not fond of the applicator that it has, but I really want to try it out, so I got this as my purchase. Moving on to the next product, it is again a skin product. This is the Colorbar Flawless Full Cover Concealer. This is how the packaging looks like. This really reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I couldn't find Tarte Shape Tape like when I searched on the website, so I couldn't find that, so I got my hands on these. If you follow me on my Instagram, you must have seen this a lot on my IGTV's video. I do, like, if you haven't been following me on my Instagram, you should definitely do. The link will be in the description. So I used this product. This is very nice, a very like a full coverage sort of a concealer, and you get a foundation also that is called the Colorbar Flawless Foundation, if I'm not wrong. That is also good. That is more like the Tarte Shape Tape foundation that I have. So this is more like a dupe, but it is in a cheaper version, so I got my hands on that. And the shade I got is 002 Kiffin. I will have the link again in the description. So that is the next case. So moving on to highlighter. If you don't know, I am a highlighter freak. If you haven't seen my makeup collection video, I will have it on the I button somewhere on the screen. You must be having an idea like how obsessed I am with the highlighters. Like if I don't do makeup, blush, highlighter is something I put on every day. So this is the next highlighter that I got. This is by Maybelline. It's the Master Chrome by Basic Studio Metallic Highlighter Illuminator. So this is how it looks like, and I got in the shade, what shade is this? I actually remove the packaging. Like it always happens with me, like whenever I get a new product, I really want to open it and I just put it on my face. So this is the highlighter. I don't really remember the shade number, but I will have it on the screen so you guys have an idea. It's a very nice pinky champagne shade, like if you guys can see, and it's a very blinding side of a highlighter. I have this highlighter but in a gold version. If you haven't already seen, I have used it in a couple of my videos, so I thought of getting another one in the pink champagne sort of a family. So this is the next product that I got, and this is very amazing. It's very affordable and it's blinding at the same time. So if you're looking for a good highlighter, this is something I would suggest you investing in. So this is the next purchase. Moving on to the next item, which is my favorite item out of everything. So this is the Morphe palette. This is the colorful eyeshadow palette. मुझे exact नाम नहीं पता है, but this is how it looks like. It is more like, it has like very vibrant colors, and if you're looking for a palette which has vibrant colors and which are, you know, really pigmented, you should definitely invest in this palette, because this is hardly for like 2000 to 3000 rupees and it's very good. Like you have lot of palettes. मैंने जितना notice किया, जितने भी colorful palettes जो मेरे पास है, they are good but they are not that pigmented. So I was looking for something which is very pigmented. So I got my hands on these. I know it's thoda pricey, but the pigmentation is very good. So if you're looking for palette, I would really suggest you investing in a palette like this. This is really good. If you want to get your hands on these, I will have the link in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. On to last couple of things, and these are the lipsticks that I got. These are again from Maybelline. So Maybelline came out with their new liquid lipstick collection. This is called the Sensational Liquid Matte. So I got two shades. If you don't know, I am a nude freak. I always look out to nude lipsticks because that is something that really looks good on my skin. So I got these two shades from Maybelline. The shade number is 11 and 08. 08 is more like a pinky brownie sort of a shade, which is this one that I'm talking to you guys about. I haven't opened it because I'm going to be having a review very soon on my IGTV. And I'm also having the shade number 11, which is sort of a brown, dark brownish, nudish sort of a shade. So if you're looking for nude lipsticks but affordable at the same time, you should really invest in these lipsticks. And these were for hardly $349 and I got discount for like 5 to 10%. तो मुझे 300 रुपए के आसपास मिल गई थी ये lipsticks, and I got my hands on these. So these are my two lipsticks that I got. Lipstick that I got is from the Power Matte range, again from Maybelline, and this is how it looks like. To be honest, I really love the packaging and obviously I really love the color. So this is how it looks like, and it is super duper pigmented. If I have to show it to you guys, that's a very bad swatch, but you have an idea. So it is more like a nudie dark pink sort of a shade, whereas this shade that I showed you guys earlier, which is more like a lighted muted pink, and this is in the shade almond pink, and I guess this was for also like 400 to 500 rupees. So I would really suggest you getting your hands on these because they have really amazing shade. They have like around 10 to 8 shades, so I would really suggest you checking these out, and these are very affordable at the same time, and it is long lasting also. So that is the next to the last product. I got this mascara from Maybelline. I have this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. This is the non-waterproof version because the waterproof version it was out of the stock and I was really looking for a mascara. So this is the mascara that I got. Again, this was very hyped and I really wanted to try. I've already tried the blue version, which is the waterproof version. This is not the waterproof version, but this does the wonders. And as you guys can see, the bristles are also really long, so you can really go into your lashes and get a nice coat of mascara on your lashes. And you can always use that on the bottom lashes as the wand is not that big, as you guys can see. And yeah, that was my last one. This was not a purchase, but Maybelline was very kind enough. I got like a lot of products from Maybelline, so they gave me like a small little dabba sort of a thing. It's in the lip shape and it's like a normal tin dabba. So I was really excited and just thought of sharing it with you guys. That is the good thing about Maybelline. Like if you buy a couple of products with the price tag that they have, you get a good, like a goodie sort of a thing. So yeah, I just thought of putting it out there. I think I'll store my lashes in this because I already needed a dabba for lashes. So this is the next thing, and it's more like a tin sort of a thing, and this is very satisfying. So yeah, this is the last thing, and I guess that's everything for the haul. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the haul. If you want a review or any specific product, do leave me in the comment section down below. I would love to do that for you guys. Or if you have any video recommendation, do leave me in the comment section down below. I would love to do that for you guys. That's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys like this video, and you know what to do. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and share it with your friends who are looking for new recommendation. If you want to buy new makeup, these are the products that I would suggest because they are very affordable and they are good to use. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next video next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.